Hey everyone, Irit here in my class's video, and today I am doing the mixed media Monday layout, and I have to tell you, I really love making this. I think because I haven't done a ton of mixed media on my layouts recently, like in the last year or something, because I've been doing so much art journaling, I found I found it to be challenging um, when I did get those assignments to use mixed media, because usually I don't use it so much anymore in my layouts. But this one was just a lot of fun. It came together really fast. It's for me, mists and like ink sprays are just my go-to supply when it comes to mixed media on my scrapbook layouts. They are so easy to use. They're so fast. There's less mess. You don't need brushes. It's just a joy to play with them. And I have quite the arsenal. If you've been getting the color kits in the last years, I think we've got pretty much like most of my most favorite colors from the Shimmers lineup. And in the September kits, we got two mists. And that's what I'm going to use today, mostly together with the mist that we got, I think it was last month. And you can see that on the screen, the turquoise one. So I started with just spraying some on this packaging and just dipping my background in it, and that's going to be my background. It's just drying now. And in the meantime, I'm using a piece of failed mixed media. You saw the other side. And I'm just doing some stamping again in the same, using the same packaging and the sprays, just playing along. Now you can see that the images are not perfect, far from it. That's just the nature of stamping with something so fluid. If you wanted a perfect image, of course you can use stamping inks. That would also work great. Stamps are like one of these things, you can use so many things with them, and here I'm just using what I have left over here to create another background. I don't end up using this on this particular layout, but I really like how it turned out, and it's just so simple and easy. So you can see now my two backgrounds. I wasn't sure which one I was going to use. I really like both of them. I end up using this. Although now that I just see it like a fast glimpse, I think I probably should have used the other one, just because it had a mix of turquoise, and I have also in the photo some turquoise. But yeah, anyway, I used this one and I really like how it turned out. So the Vicky Boutin stamp sets, I love them. They are so fun. They're so easy to use. The images are just very usable. I love florals, and we got another set in previous kits that had some circles. Those are like my favorite images to use. And here I'm going to use the dies that come with the set. That's another really great thing about the Vicky Boutin sets. And just die cut some of the flowers. So I'm not going to show you the entire process, but there you go. And what I'm going to back my photo with is this gorgeous piece of floral specialty paper from Maddie Holmes. So I fussy cut a part of it, and how pretty is that? I mean, seriously, you don't need to do a lot when you have such pretty products. I thought at the beginning I'll use some pattern papers behind my photo, but then I just looked at this gorgeous piece of vellum, and it's like, I don't need more. It's so pretty. So yeah, really, the main elements in this layout came together really fast. And my title is going to be my happy place. The theme today is all about me, so I'm scrapbooking a photo of me. And there I am in my studio working on my art journal, and truly that photo is posed, but it's still my art journal, so, and I do sit like that exactly, but since I'm a one-woman show, there is no photographer to take my photo when I'm painting for arting or scrapbooking, so yeah, I had to pose and use a self time and everything. But yeah, so I thought I would scrapbook myself. Usually I scrapbook my kids or the whole family, but today it's all about me. So now I'm just playing with all those stamped images that I cut out, and I think at the end I mostly keep it kind of a tone on tone. So flowers that are more yellow, I'm going to put them in the yellow area of my background, and the pink ones more in the pink area. And this was just a lot of fun to play with these. And you see that I'm crinkling the flowers just a little bit to give them dimension. I love how they sit on the layout and cast that shadow. It just looks a lot more attractive to me than if I just adhered them completely flat. So what I'm going to do is just add a bit of adhesive to the middle of the flower, and this way the petals can be a little lifted. And I also liked how the flowers looked layered. So I layered the small flower in the set on the bigger flower, and there's also medium size, so you can also use that and just play around with it. Now I want to use these fun, I don't know what these are like. What are these, like suede flowers? I love these. You can see that I think there were 6 in the pack, and I will only have 2 left after I finish this layout because they are just so adorable, and I love how they look. The texture is really, something unique, something different, because most of what I have on my page is paper. Even though in this particular layout, I have the vellum and the thickers have their own unique surface to them. So, but most of the time, most of what I have is paper, pattern paper, die cuts, that sort of thing. So just trying to add some more details. I'm looking for things I can tuck and add behind my photo, maybe some more floral pieces or some leafy bits. Leafy. Your friends, family, will get that reference. So just looking for things that I can add that will kind of, enhance what I have going, but not take over too much, because I really love every detail on this layout right now, and I don't want to make it too, too busy, I guess. So I did feel like I wanted to mat it just because mat it this way so that the pattern paper is showing on the left and bottom side, mostly because the florals that I have there next to my photo, they were just getting a bit too far on the right side. Sorry, did I say left? I meant right. I wanted that pattern paper on the right side just to shift a little bit the balance more to the center. It's not the center, but those florals on the right side next to the photo, they were just a little bit too close to the edge. So that's why I decided to add that border or mat my layout on that piece of 12 by 12. And I chose yellow. Yellow is one of the Amy Tan papers that came in the kit. I just love yellow. Yellow is like such a happy color. And yeah, that was an easy choice. If I wanted to go with something a little bit calmer, I would have chosen one of the Indigo Hills paper. There's especially one that has this ombre from kind of blue to purple. So I think that would have been a good choice if this was a little bit more, I don't know, toned down. Yeah, just a different mood, I guess. But with all the gold and warm backgrounds, the yellow in the background, I just felt that it would be a good choice here. So now I'm just trying to build that cluster above my title to the left side of my photo, just trying to get everything placed in a way that is pleasing to the eye. And you can see that I layered that suede, like a faux suede, I don't know, pom-pom flower embellishment thingy. I layered it on top of one of the stamped flowers, and I love how that looks. So that was just really fun. And now I'm adding some of these My Mind's Eye these are like mirrored golden acrylic pieces, and there are a couple of parts in that embellishment pack. So I'm going to use that to go with my little gold theme going on. And yeah, that's kind of it. I had a couple of leftovers from the cut files that I used in a previous layout with the same kit, and I colored them with the Shimmers paint that we got in the color kit, and that paint has the most beautiful kind of soft purple color that coordinates very well with the Indigo Hills collection. So I used that to just color some of those leftover die cuts that I cut with my silhouette, and one of them will also make it to the layout, and it's sitting there just above the word my in the height of my copy place. So I really like how that turned out. That's another way of using paints and mists. You can customize your die cuts, especially if you're like me and you mostly cut them from white cardstock, then that means you can change the color to anything that works for your layout. So this I totally wasn't planning on doing, and then I just looked at the products that I had and decided to add some of these rub-ons, and I love how that turned out. It just adds a lot of detail that there was like no way I could add such detail if I didn't have these rub-ons, and you can see it better in the close-up shots, but I'm just tucking them behind strategical places of everything else that I have going on here, and I just really like how that turned out. So I'm just finding the right spots. You know, rub-ons are always it's a problematic product, and these one worked beautifully without a problem. Also on top of my mists and my mixed media background, no trouble at all. So this was really easy to work with them. And yeah, I hope you will try some of the techniques. Everything here is pretty simple. It's just a combination of everything together that I think makes this layout so fun, so rich, and just, I think it's just fun to look at it and see all the little details, at least for me. So yeah, and I also used that cute, I don't know, red bow. What are these things called? I think that's for mannequins. But yeah, I just love making these. So this is my final layout. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.